जयं देहि मां बलं देहि मां.
Hi friends, welcome you all to Walk with Rajashri once again, and today we are taking you to the ride of a Durga Puja of Kolkata and US. In US, the Bengali are always Bengali all over the world. So we celebrate the Durga Puja even in US on the same spirit. We are holding our culture in a different land and celebrating. That is the huge thing for all of us. And in India, in Kolkata especially, it's obviously different because we do stuff, we do some food items, we do many things, which definitely the flavor we miss in US, but at least in a foreign land, far away from our cultural roots, we are celebrating and trying to create the environment like that. It is a big thing for us. So let's go and hop into Durga Puja. Let's go together. Bengal's most awaiting moment started with Prabhat Feri, where we sing songs and welcome Durga, and gather together and share the joy and the mood together. Puja in Kolkata means pandal hopping for most of the people for this upcoming 5 days. We have different theme of pandals decoration where we worship the Durga Ma. So it's all about dress up, long walk, see maximum number of pandals and discuss with friend on that, eat street food along with the friends and the family. It's like full city dressed up in a lights and decorated like fancy fairy tale world. Let's hop in. We have 5 days to celebrate the puja in Kolkata. Devi Baron. This is the way we start our puja, India or US, wherever we are. Durga Puja in Kolkata, where all the ladies gather together preparing things to have the worship on the right way. Doing things together, preparing for the puja, they all come close to each other, like we all come close to each other. And we feel good to do the things together. We worship the God together, we prepare for the things together, and for that we get up very early and even go to sleep very late at night, and every part of it we just enjoy. The first day of the Durga Puja, every community of Kolkata, we start with the food stall, prepare the food by ourselves. Not all of us, some of the family do, and some of the family go eat, and we just give the food and sell the food. We just name it differently. Somewhere we call it Khai Khai, somewhere we call it Ananda Mela. So name doesn't matter. The unity and togetherness and sharing food, it's important. Another thing in Durga Puja first and second day is foremost important is Udbodhoni Onushthan, where we just welcome the Devi Durga with the sing and the dance just dedicated to her. Like the other thing, pandal hopping, food stall, Devi Baron, this is another segment. After the Devi Baron, we perform a song or dance or poetry or recite anything, and that's all to worship the Durga and start the day.
বাজে মন মাঝে হইয়া গমনির গান জগত জননী মাকে করে আহ্বান জগত জননী
It's everywhere light up. We are staying away night. Just the puja started and rehearsals are more in full swing because we have more time with each other. and we are practicing, we are doing the stage rehearsal, we are doing the music on the background, how to go the stage decoration and all. It's fun. How can I miss the photo session? It's already started and we are loving it. Durga Puja in USA, we already started for the weekend mood to bring alive the mood of the Durga Puja. Maybe we are unable to celebrate like India for 5-6 days, but in these 2 days we get all the fun we want to do. We do all kind of decoration, the celebration, the function. We meet our friends, we being together as much as possible, and we just try to bring the essence in the foreign land of the Kolkata. And we also do lot of program for the Durga Puja here in US. Well, for gather together with friends and talk for night, day long, staying out of the house. I'm not mentioning India or US, be it 5 days in India or 2 days weekend in US. It's all same, and we just enjoy the mood of the Durga Puja, the Dhakel hours, the singing together with everyone, singing song. It's all fun, be it US, be it India. So here I am not categorize India or US differently. We all are having good time celebrating the Durga Puja, being with the friends and the family together. Our months long rehearsals, spending time on preparing what to do, what not to do for dramas, for dance, for fashion show, for everything is started. It's a time now. This 5 days showcase in Kolkata, we have to do lot of performance. So we start with our dance, we start with the drama, we start with any kind of random program, like we play Antakshari, we do the drawing competition, we do fashion show, and we also do the prize distribution for the best thing and whatever the best person do. The function is always the fun. We actually await for the day, like when we will dance together with the friends, and whatever we are practicing since long time, we'll perform on the stage. This is a very big thing for the kids and also to some extent for the grown up as well. We enjoy the mood. I'm sharing the little bit of the function mode here, may not bring all the essence, but just try to get some of the essence here. Doing this rehearsal and the function for month-long practice and then performing on the stage, you know what, we all come very together, very close to each other, and we get to know a lot about each other, and we have a bonding with each other. So this is very important to me, having a rehearsals and the function going. Even the small kids dress up differently, like Christmas tree, Mickey Mouse, or many kind of a thing, and they do the fancy dress. That's also a cute thing we do.
যেতে পারি এখন কাশবন তুলছে দিশারি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি সেই হৃদয় আগমনের সুর তোমার তুলির গল্প ছড়াও বলো বলো চুপকায়
পড়াশোনায় জলাঞ্জলি ভেবে মূর্খ বলছো কি? তোমরা বলছো আমাদের জীবনে চড়াই ভাঙি।
এটা ধরো এ কেমন কান্না তুমি আমায় যখন আদর করো এ তুমি কেমন তুমি চোখের তারায় আয়না ধরো এ কেমন
In US, during the Durga Puja time, we were doing a rehearsal for a long time, right? As I told you on my last video, so we just do our performance here. Maybe we are coming from the different community and gathered together, so we know more about the people here. We being friends, we make friends. Along with our performance in US, always we bring the artists from outside, like from India, the renowned artists. They come and perform. That is the highlight for the Durga Puja in US for any community and any place. So that's also fun, and it doesn't make me feel different if you do the rehearsals in India or outside of India. Whenever you are being into the cultural program, it's always been fun together with everyone and perform something.
खोने लगा जब से मिला तेरा हो
Now coming to the food section. Bengali and not eating good during this Durga Puja time, it's impossible. I am here not again categorizing by US 2 days Durga Puja or India 5 days of Durga Puja. Be it 2 days, be it 5 days, the food is always on 10 everywhere in the world. So this time we just prepare lot of veg and non-veg. The veg food we just give it to the god, and we also take it, so we call it bhog. During this time we just line up together, get the coupons, and every locality in Kolkata we all like sit together and have our food. And US also we do the same, like sometimes we just distribute the food by ourselves to the like neighbor of us or to the community people of us, and it's a fun serving to the people, giving the food, preparing for that, and obviously looking forward for eating good all the time. So India or US, the Durga Puja time, eating different kind of food like fish, like some veg food also, it's all important because we all are sitting together and eating together. The final day of the Durga Puja. As I told you before also, in US Durga Puja we just celebrate everything in the 2 days of the time. So on the last day we do the Dhunuchi Nach, we play the Shidur Khela, we exchange the sweet with each other, we feed each other the sweets, and we also do the Dhaket dance and everything. Only thing is that the Durga we don't like immerse the Durga. We do the immersion of the Durga, we just keep it as it is and we use it for the next year, and the cultural program are definitely there. We have fun. Final day of the Durga Puja in Kolkata. Well, obviously we are very sad because it's the last day. The months long preparation, the fun, the night long stay awake, the talking with friends, all coming to an end today. But why to be sad? We still have time. We were doing a Dhunuchi Nach, we play the dhak, at most is possible by us. We all gather together, we dance with the dhaker, the music of the dhak, and the Sidur Khela is very important for Bengali in Durga Puja. We just like, it's like a holy thing. We just put the Sidur to each other and like, you know, respect to each other. And Dhunuchi Naach dancing, and when we go for the immersion of the Devi Durga, we gather together, we walk on the long street, if we are, the immersion is nearby place, and we dance all the way. So this is another thing. It's the end of the Durga Puja. It's really sad, but we are trying to keep things alive. Somewhere we do the immersion at night, somewhere we do the immersion at the daytime only, by the evening, and after the immersion it's just totally blank. But this 5 days or 6 days of the Durga Puja, the fun we keep inside our heart, and we look forward for the next time. So this is a very short way. I'm just letting you know my way of seeing Durga Puja in US and India. Hope you like it, and hope you want to work with me more and see my more experiences. So please subscribe and stay with me.